Hello everyone and welcome back to Infinite Languages. Today we are diving into the world of coordinating conjunctions, often remembered by the acronym FANBOYS. These tiny words play a significant role in connecting ideas in English sentences. By the end of this video, you will be a pro at using for and nor, but or yet and so. So, let's get started. First up, we have for. It's used to show the reason or cause behind an action. Here are some examples. I studied hard for I wanted to ace the exam. She went to the store for some groceries. He woke up early for he had a busy day ahead. And is perhaps the most commonly used conjunction. It is used to join similar or related ideas. Here are some examples. I like to read and write in my free time. We will have pizza and pasta for dinner tonight. She is both talented and hardworking. Nor is a bit less common but still important. It is used to introduce a negative idea that continues the previous negative idea. Let's explore some examples. He neither likes coffee nor tea. The store had neither my size nor my preferred color. She could neither swim nor dive. But is a versatile conjunction. It is used to show contrast or opposition between two ideas. Let's explore these examples. She wants to go to the party, but she has a lot of work to finish. I like ice cream, but I am lactose intolerant. He is rich, but he is not happy. Or is used to present options or alternatives. Look at these examples. Do you want pizza or burgers for dinner? You can have coffee or tea with your breakfast. We can watch a movie or go for a walk in the park. Yet is used to introduce a contrasting idea or unexpected result. Look at these examples. She studied for hours, yet she failed the test. He is young, yet he is very mature. They had all the resources, yet they couldn't complete the project on time. So is used to show a result or consequence. Look at these examples. It started raining, so we decided to stay indoors. She worked hard, so she got promoted. I'm tired, so I'm going to bed early. Great job learning about coordinating conjunctions today. Now it's your turn to practice. We have created a quick worksheet with blank spaces. Fill them in with the right coordinating conjunctions we have discussed. And once you are done, share your answer in the comment section below or the email ID mentioned on the screen. And we will get back to you if there is any correction. Keep up the good work. Happy learning. Thank you for joining us today to explore the world of coordinating conjunctions. If you have enjoyed this video and want to continue mastering English grammar, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell. Your support keeps us going and we are excited to bring you more educational content. Stay curious, keep learning. Until next time, goodbye.